attitude that my teacher put in me, that I really benefited from that. He told me that don't discriminate who you benefit from. Just benefit from everyone. Just learn, grow, and keep asking Allah for guidance. But don't discriminate. And don't underestimate Allah's power to guide you, and be scared. I shouldn't listen to this person because I might get misguided. I shouldn't listen to that person. No. If you're committed to Allah's book, and you're committed to learning, Allah will guide you, but don't close doors. And that attitude led me to learn from ideologically opposite people in New York, because New York is very fragmented, like big cities are. You'll have masjids of a certain denomination, certain ideology, another masjid of the extreme opposite ideology, and the twain shall never meet. They might even describe each other as, kuffar or bad.
So you're talking about the Muslim community?
Muslim community,
okay.
And even non-Muslims actually.
And non-Muslims.
And non-Muslims.
Okay.
And I opened that door of learning from any place. I'll learn. I'll consider everything. I'll listen to everything, and listen to it with an open heart.